Welcome to DIY Nailed It with Kara Dyer from the Faulkner County Library. Today we're going to make a washcloth puppy dog. You can click on the link and request your packet. And you can make your puppy dog also. So let's get started. Inside your packet you will get 2 clear rubber bands, a little black pom-pom, 2 eyes, a piece of felt. It'll be a square, not necessarily a triangle. A piece of black felt that will be a square, not necessarily a shape like this. 6 glue dots, some ribbon, and a washcloth. What you will need is a pair of scissors. So first off, what we're going to do is we're going to take our washcloth and we are going to start rolling it. If you want to fold it and kind of crease it so you kind of know where the center is, do so. But you're going to take your ends and you're going to roll them toward the center, rolling them really tight. Once you get to the center, stop, turn it, and then start on the other end and roll toward the center. Okay. Once you get it rolled to the center, you're going to take it with the rolls facing you, and you're going to bend it so it looks like this, so that it opens here. Okay. Then you're going to take one of your clear rubber bands and you're going to put it around like so. You can adjust it because we want enough give so that we can make the little face. Okay, there we go. Now then you'll take your other rubber band and you'll take this part, not attaching it to this, but just taking it on its own. And you're going to put another rubber band around here to make its little, separate its nose and its eyes. Okay. Once you get that done, then your little puppy starting to take shape. All right. Okay. And then you can take your black felt and you can kind of trim it just a little bit to make it more even. These are not fabric scissors, so they're not cutting very well. That hole that's right here, you're going to take your little ears and you're going to put them right through there. So he has the little ears. And then you're going to take a glue dot and you're going to stick your pom-pom to the glue dot, press down, and then peel the glue dot off of the pom-pom and put it right there in the opening. So there you have your little nose. You're going to do the same thing with the eyeballs with the glue dots. Take your eyeballs, put them on the glue dots. And then you'll peel them off and stick them on here. Kind of looks like Snoopy. And then you'll take your other glue dot and put your tongue on. I kind of cut mine in a triangle. You can do yours in a square, however you want to. Once again, it's your puppy dog. So do the tongue however you want to. But right inside of his little mouth, we're going to shove that glue dot in there, and then we're going to close the mouth on it so it holds there. All right, and now for your ribbon, you're going to take on that rubber band. Now that I've kind of got him put together, I'm going to tighten him up just a little bit and scoot his neck just a little closer to his face. And his little legs. Okay. And then we're going to take a glue dot and put it right here on his neck and peel it off. Then you're going to take your ribbon and go around and put my... Okay, so I'm going to give you an extra glue dot because I just messed up, and if I didn't give you enough glue dots and you messed up, it wouldn't work. So I'm going to give you at least 2 extra glue dots. So we're going to put that on there, because what I should have done is half the glue dot between this ribbon, but I didn't. So just in case you don't either, we're going to have that and then lay that over there. So now you have there. Okay, so now we're going to learn how to tie a bow. What you're going to do is you're going to take the ribbon and you're going to fold it like this. Take it around your thumb. Take this, the longer piece, take it around your thumb, bring it back through like you're tying a bow, and pull it. And then now you have your little bow, and you can make it as little as you want or as big as you want. Adjust it, tighten it, adjust it, tighten it. Okay, and then we're going to just take another glue dot, which is the extra one that you will have in your package, and put it on top of the bow, or on top of the ribbon. When you have it the way you want it, I don't know, let's see, I think I like this side better. You can trim your ribbon. Once again, these are not fabric scissors, so they do not cut very well on fabric. That's something to remember. If you buy a good pair of fabric scissors, do not cut paper with them, because it will dull them and they will no longer be good scissors for fabric. So separate your fabric scissors from your paper scissors. And there you go. There's your little puppy dog. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you nailed it. So just click on the link and request your packet and let me know how you did.